Welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. Have you been having problems with fondant cracking, breaking, and many more? Today, after watching this recipe, you will never experience fondant problem again. This is the best recipe I use both in dry season and in raining season. So let's dive into the main thing. Here are my recipes for this fondant. This is my gelatin. I have my glucose CMC powder and 1 kg of iron sugar. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, so do well by clicking on the subscribe button. Don't forget to click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my newest video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting alert of my new video. I just measured my 1 tablespoon of gelatin, and I'll be using water, normal water, not cold, not hot, not warm, normal lukewarm water. 1/3 cup of normal water. Add to your gelatin. That's 1 tablespoon of gelatin, and you stir it very well and take it to a sausage pan with water on your lowest heat. Yes, use your little pot or little sausage pan and add small water and place on your heat. Reduce it to the lowest and you place. You will keep stirring till everything, all these grains you're seeing right now, will all dissolve. Take your time to do this and make sure it's on the lowest heat so that your gelatin water or mixture will not start cooking or boiling. When you're sure everything is dissolved, use the 1/3 cup again and measure out your glucose. Add to this very mixture and you stir together to combine. At this junction, I've already offed my heat because the water is very hot. This is still my 1/3 cup. I'll still use it and scoop my glucose and add to my gelatin mixture and stir together to combine. Take your time to combine the two. When you're sure it's well mixed, as you can see, remove from the heat and allow it to cool off. Right now, I've sieved my iron sugar. Yes, this is my 1 packet of, that's 1 kg of iron sugar. Here is my CMC powder. I'll be measuring 2 teaspoons of CMC powder. 2 teaspoons of CMC powder. Please, hope you know how to measure. Make sure it's leveled, not full spoon. Leveled spoon of CMC powder. Every measurement with spoon and cup supposed to be on the level part. So that is the right way to measure. Okay, combine the CMC powder with your iron sugar and you start adding your gelatin mix bit by bit. Make a well at the center and you start adding little at a time. A little of your gelatin mixture you combine with your icing sugar. I've already poured all. Now to you it will be as if the liquid is not enough, but don't worry, it's okay. Take your time to be combining everything together and you watch the outcome. If you miss, you're not comfortable with your bowl, go ahead to pour everything out on your work surface and you take your time to knead. You can see it's mixing up and everything is coming out like a dough. So feel free to continue kneading. It will take time, but the outcome would be beautiful. Let me give you one of my secrets. If you mix and it's looking so hard and you know you're not using it that day, because me, I love my fondant to rest before use, you can drop little water, normal water, to it to enable you to knead faster till your dough is looking very soft, light, and looking elastic. You can see right now my fondant is almost ready. Please, at this junction, if you have not liked my video, please click on the like button. Please like my video, and if you have not subscribed, it is important you join this lovely family, because if I drop my wonderful recipe, you'll be able to get the alert. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting alerts of my newest video. You can see our fondant is out. So right now you can use your cling film or you use leather to put your fondant, wrap it very well. You can wrap it the second time and you store in a cool dry place, or you put inside an airtight container, and I believe is very safe for use, because I'll be using mine tomorrow, so I'm okay with this. I'm going to throw into my bucket and cover. Thanks a million for watching.